As promised, today I'm sharing the Hubster's Travel Dopp Kit toiletry bag and some Father's Day gift ideas along with tips for that well-traveled gentleman. First and foremost, my husband is a very simple man. He loves hassle-free, so I'm sharing some of his travel must-haves to make his trip smooth yet stylish, starting with his Dopp Kit. It's made of genuine buffalo leather. It has a durable wraparound leather strap, which is great so you can secure your items exactly where you want them. This bag is small enough for travel, yet big enough for all of your personal care needs. Who knew Target has an entire men's grooming section in their store? They have more than 600 products, including men's accessories, hats, beard care, deodorants, apparel, everything in this one section. They have valet trays, men's candles, and of course toiletry bags. They also have a section for travel-sized toiletries. I always stock up on these because they don't take up too much space or weight when you travel. Inside the mesh pocket, Clorox wipes and extra masks are kept inside, and inside the clear plastic compartment he has a full tube of toothpaste and teeth wipes because he occasionally smokes cigars. You gotta keep that breath fresh. Both instantly freshens your breath and brightens your teeth. They are made with cranberry fruit extract and a burst of peppermint. Extra razors, Tylenol just in case, lip balm is a must, 4 elastic loops for toothbrushes and nail files. Inside this case, there's 3 mesh pockets to keep your items you want to stay in place, and more room for loose items. Shave gels inside one compartment, his beard conditioning and his beard oil to keep it shiny, and of course his beard balm. All of these items are easy to travel with. Mouthwash and lotion are inside too. He also likes to travel with his classic safety shaver razor that came with a protective case. It's adjustable, giving you a lot of flexibility. If you want to relax and shave, you can use it at a low setting, or if you want that 3-day stubble off, you can use it at a medium or a high setting. Maintain your fresh, cool scent during your travel. This is perfect for traveling. It's a travel atomizer. This is perfect when you don't want to carry a big bottle of cologne and risk having your expensive cologne breaking. They come in many colors. Choose your favorite cologne, remove the top, and take your atomizer and place it over the top and start pumping it. There's a little window for you to see how much is inside and when it's getting low. His electric toothbrush and detachable head is here, and on business trips he likes to travel with his tie case. It's actually vintage and I got it years ago. It helps to keep his ties wrinkle-free. And you notice that my husband loves a good cigar. When we travel, he likes to bring his travel cigar Humidor that comes in a brown leather as well. There's a loop to hang on your pants for convenience. The cedar wood inside helps to protect and keep cigars fresh. It's the perfect gift for those dads who love a good cigar. And don't forget to get Dad a blowtorch cigar lighter. You have to be careful because it can reach 6 inches long. The copper nozzle is just beautiful and the lighter speaks for itself. No cigar experience is complete without the right cigar accessory. This beautiful Perdermo cigar ashtray is classy. It has 4 deep cigar rests and a large ash dish to easily accommodate a night's worth of cigars while hanging out with the guys. You guys may have seen where I made my husband personalized decals for his packing cubes. I'll leave a link down below in case you guys are interested on how I made them. They are not only stylish, but it makes it easier for him to find what he needs when he needs it. Hope this video has given you some ideas for that special man in your life. I'll leave product links down below for your shopping convenience. And I want to wish a happy early Father's Day to you wonderful dads out there.